Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by getting to the right place quickly. Unlock the phone and open settings. Once done, make sure Wi-Fi or mobile data is active because Quick Share uses network presence. Next, tap Wi-Fi and network or connections depending on your Oneplus skin. This gets you into the sharing and connectivity area where Quick Share settings live. Don't pause, move directly into the network section so you can access the sharing options in the next step. Now you locate Quick Share. Within connections, tap the nearby or sharing area. Labels vary by Oxygen OS version. Once inside, look for Quick Share or Nearby Share. Open that pane to view visibility and receive settings. You'll see a master switch and options like Everyone, Contacts, or Hidden. These control who can see your device. Slowly read the labels so you disable the correct control. Make sure you understand the difference between visibility and file receiving before you flip the switch. Finally, turn off the Quick Share master switch. You should see the toggle move to off and a confirmation message or inactive state. Once disabled, verify by asking someone to share a file or try sending from another device. Your phone must not appear. If it still shows up, reboot the phone and check for system updates. Make sure the correct profile was changed. As a last resort, reset network settings. This preserves data while clearing sharing glitches and often fixes stubborn visibility problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.